All right, so we just got these. Literally just came out. The Viper 5308. That's what the remote looked like. So when we buy. This is all the new 5308. Literally just came out. We will be getting new Prestiges as well. 997s. I got the ass load of them still left. The ZLRs. The only difference in the ZLR and the Z is the LED remote, which is that right there. And then have quite a few 5305Ls, which is this right here. So I'm gonna be getting rid of this stuff at the 5105 is just two basic remotes. You know, people like Viper because of the name. So 5105, that's what it looked like. So let me take this out the box real quick so people can see. All right. I mean, the wiring are pretty much the same. Yeah, brain the same. Oh, right here. So that's the backup remote. And this is the.
Where you been at, baby?
I'll see how that came from, baby.
All right, baby.
Yep. Man, I'm moving that product, man. I'm moving that product. All right, so I actually like this here. Soft buttons. Look like the Prestige, really, is what it looked like. But the brand's pretty much the same. Now, I don't know if they have adapted these to actually work with the linkers and the CL7s, but I'll find out. And then also, too, let me see. I feel like they changed something else. No, it's still the same. This pink and black wire still don't do nothing. So, but yeah, I'm finna take a couple cases. I have a couple cases on me. So if you be like, man, you got that on you? I got it on me. And I got that thing on me too. It's called some nunchucks. So a wall full of these. I mean, if you want me to ship one out to you already pre-wired, I'll do that. Depending on the vehicle you got, walk you through it, you'll be good. So you don't have to see us in person to actually get it done. Do it yourself. It's a lot of DIYers. I mean, to be honest, I walk you through it, you be like, bro, that was simple. So, yeah. Viva la everybody. I mean, we all is one world. Let's live in it.